Alright, let's go for a drive. Hey guys, CT here. Hey, my buddy Dennis from AIRCOOLEDHAUS is coming over, and he's going to take a look at the engine and give us some advice on what we need to do to get the engine up and running properly, get it clean, get it rebuilt, and give us some expert advice. Stay tuned. What's up, man? Nice ride.
Thanks.
Pretty cool. What year is this?
61.
Very nice. Let me grab the, let's see. Hey guys, this is Dennis from AIRCOOLEDHAUS.
How's it going, guys?
This is his 61. Tell us a little bit about it, man.
Well, I picked this car like 2 years ago. I bought it from the original owner. He bought it in 1961 in Wolfsburg, Germany.
Wow.
When he was in the Air Force.
Wow.
He shipped it to the States when he was sent to Vietnam, and the father has it in Alabama until he come back when he was deployed. And he drove from Alabama to Florida, and he was sitting in his garage until I think last tag it was 1985. So he was sitting in a garage for 30 some years.
Wow.
And I picked him up.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I love that color. I think I was telling you my parents had a 61. They bought a brand new 61 and here in Orlando. I got pictures of it. I gotta get them blown up.
Yeah, framed him. Yeah, it's still 6 volt. Got the original 1200 engine.
Yeah, let's see the engine. Wow. And you rebuilt this?
Yeah, I rebuilt that. The only thing is not original to the engine is the crank pulley. That I have a 5-pound equalizer there, and the distributor, because I'm rebuilding the original one.
Right.
And I'm gonna drive the car, so I just have that 009 there.
Right, right.
It's not the best, but let's get it running.
Well, it looks great, man. It's a nice car.
Yeah, we did wiring, engine, brakes, and the rack top.
Yeah,
It was pretty bad. Everything else on the car is original.
so you redid the rag top?
The rack top, yeah, the outer layer. The inner liner is still the original one.
Wow.
This guy still have the mohair.
Very nice. Yeah, I love that you kept the original interior like that.
Yeah, the car is complete, so.
Very cool. So you came over to check out the engine.
Yeah, let's see
that
what
came
we're
out of
working on.
rusty.
Let me see what
I've got the heads off. I've got started tearing it down, and I wanted to get some expert advice so we could do it the right way.
These rod bearings are in really good shape. You know, I recommend to change them. You know, now that you have everything open, get new piston rings.
Right.
But it's
So new rings.
new rings,
New
new
bearings.
bearings, and you know, clean them up. Let me see something. I didn't check it. This is good. You have the oil pick section here is just intact. Normally, these things are corroded and the magnesium is shoot up with the water. This is in perfect shape.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That's
What we do in
awesome.
the shop when that happened, and we have magnesium rods, and we, fill those holes and
Mm-hmm.
fix the issue. Some people throw the cases away. We fix the cases
Wow,
at the
man.
shop.
That's great.
And the heads, the valves, we need to check them up, check out the seats. If there's any cracks in here, underneath all these carbon residue here.
Yeah.
Um,
So
Overall, they look really good. The thread, when you took out the spark plug, they look good. It
when
was
they
easy to come
no,
off.
they were actually kind of tight. So can you?
I
Are those
noticed.
retappable or?
Yeah, because I noticed this one, it looks normal, and this one looks got a weird shape, like somebody puts a spark plug sideways. So we
Yeah.
might need to basically get a thread chaser to see if we can fix that thread, or if not, just retap them. I have brass coils at the shop that I can just put there.
Okay. Yeah, when I was pulling the spark plugs out, I think one came out really easy, one or two, and then the other two were pretty tight. I
Okay.
kind of rocked them back and forth a little bit,
Oh,
and
yes.
real slow just to try to break them free.
And this is normal. We can fix that too.
Yeah, that one broke off.
Yeah.
That one and
Then that one,
And
that
that-
one came off
yeah.
completely. But anyways, it will be good to check the thread on the inner thread.
so you have all the tools in your shop to do
Yeah, we have
completely rebuild the engine.
We just picked up a new Bridgeport, but we have everything at the shop to recondition all these parts, and also we stock a lot of used parts as well.
That's awesome, man.
People toss these engines thinking that they don't, they're not good.
Right.
But parts are getting rare to find, and if you're out to 100, don't throw it away. If you want to throw it away, give me a call. I'll pick him up.
Yeah, I want to keep it as original as possible.
Oh yeah.
So as many of the original parts we can use, that'd be awesome.
There's a few things that you can do to an engine to keep it pure correct and enhance it. Especially on buses. These buses, they're not fast. This is a 1200 engine with we got rear gear reductions over there.
Yeah.
They have torque, but they're not fast. So.
But there's a few
There's some
things we
things
can.
that you can do. Yeah, we basically clean everything, all the port on the heads. Get a better carburetor. If you want to have a better highway speed, you can remove those gear reductions and put 68 Beetle,
Yeah.
67 Beetle axles.
Yep. As far as the case, what should I do? What's the next step I should take on the case? Should I pressure wash it and get all the dirt off of it? Should I just take it apart like it is, or?
Well, usually what I used to do before I had my parts washer at the shop,
Yeah.
I got diesel and just put a plastic bin underneath
Yep.
and just basically with a brush and start like adding diesel into it, and diesel basically suck this grease off.
Right.
And after that, just get degreaser. Well, a brand that I use is Formula 88. They sell it in Home Depot, and just spray that and just pressure wash it,
Yeah.
and that will take
Okay.
most of this old grease off.
Gotcha. Yeah, 'cause
Since you're gonna rebuild the whole thing,
it's pretty bad.
yeah, it is. It is.
So I can put a pan underneath it, scrub it
Yeah,
all down with
with a
diesel
brush.
and a brush,
Yeah.
and then pressure wash it.
It will. What I do is let it soak in diesel,
Yep.
like maybe 24 hours,
Yeah.
and then if you notice that it softened the grease, then you can start get a like a scraper and then remove in these areas, and
Yep.
that will help. Then degreaser and pressure washer, since you're gonna rebuild the entire thing, will not
Should I try to put the jugs and the heads back on and then pressure wash, or just leave them off? It doesn't matter.
No, because that you can put it on the same tray and just with the same brush clean them up.
Yeah. I know I need to worry about getting water in here. It doesn't matter.
No.
Because we're rebuilding it anyway.
We're rebuilding it anyway.
Okay.
And you know, what I recommend is take the relief valve out, the spring and the piston that is here.
Yeah.
And just basically flush the galleries and the oil galleries completely, and then with air, just blew air through there.
Okay. So I'll get it cleaned up as much as I can, and then I can bring it to you, and you can inspect it.
Yeah, I can check out. Yeah, that's a good thing to bring it over, and I can check if it needs to be line board.
Yep.
Check if it's standard or if it needs to be cut off. You know, things like that.
Check the crank shaft and all that.
Yeah, all that.
Okay.
Check the lifters.
Okay.
So I think that's.
Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to get this. I can't wait to get it all cleaned up and get all the parts ordered for it and start piecing it back together.
It will be nice.
Yeah. All right, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna take the heads and the case down to Dennis's shop, Air-Cooled Haus, sometime in the next few days. So stay tuned. Look for that video. And Dennis, appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. You guys, stay tuned. See ya. All right, let's go for a drive. Check it out.
And this one?
Yeah.
40 horse.
This is the 40 horse?
Yep.
Radio work?
Radio turn on, but doesn't. The speaker is out.
Right.
So let me see. It's been a while since I turned it on. I think I unplug it.
Yeah, no problem.
Not cause any
Going short out.
any shortage. But yeah, when I put the wiring there, it just turned on. And before I installed the wiring, it worked. You only take AM stations.
Smooth.
Yeah, it rides very nice.
Yeah.
So it's time to do it.
See ya. Alright guys, well there go my heads. Thanks Dennis. We'll see you at the shop in a few days. See ya.